Hello everyone, welcome back to the Let's Dream Civils YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about a very important development in Indian defense. General N.S. Subramani takes charge as the Chief of Defense Staff and lays emphasis on Jai Vision. The context: on May 31st, 2026, General N.S. Subramani assumed office as the third Chief of Defense Staff of India, succeeding General Anil Chauhan. In his inaugural address, the CDS laid a powerful structural emphasis on implementing Prime Minister Narendra Modi's core vision of J, which stands for Jointness, Atmanirbharta and Innovation. Now let's unpack the J vision, where J stands for Jointness, establishing deep structural, operational, and intellectual synergy across the Army, Navy, and Air Force. This means that Army, Navy, and Air Force will have common planning, common training, shared intelligence, integrated logistics, and unified military operations. The objective is to make all three defense forces into one integrated force. And A stands for Atmanirbharta, which is self reliance, eradicating critical dependency on foreign imports, enforcing 100% indigenous defense design, industrial supply chains, and domestic manufacturing. So, this means the defense indigenization, where we design and manufacture our own defense equipment. It is not merely an economic policy, it is a strategic necessity because we no longer have to depend on foreign countries for our defense military equipments. And then I stands for innovation. Technology is transforming modern warfare. So our defense forces will be integrating future tech like AI, quantum encryption, space-based surveillance, cyber warfare, and unmanned systems via collaborative defense startups. Now let us understand the evolution of the CDS office in India. So why did India create the post of CDS in the first place? To understand this, we must go back to the year 1999, where Pakistan infiltrated Indian territory in the Kargil sector of Jammu and Kashmir. This conflict became known as the Kargil War or Operation Vijay. Even though India won the war, government appointed the Kargil Review Committee. And one of its key recommendation was India should have a better coordination among the Army, Navy, and Air Force. So, based on this post Kargil Review Committee mandate, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the creation of CDS office in the year 2019. And then General Bipin Rawat became India's first CDS, and he laid the ground infrastructure for tri-service synergy until his sudden tragic demise. Unfortunately, his tenure ended with his tragic death in a helicopter crash in December 2021. And then General Anil Chauhan became the second CDS. He consolidated the joint military doctrine, defines drafts for integrated theatre commands, and served until May 2026 until his retirement. And then in the year 2026, General N.S. Subramani takes command as the third CDS with focus to execute the integrated theatre command, which was refined by General Anil Chauhan. Okay, so his focus is to execute the integrated theatre commands and implement the J pillars, which was explained in the previous slide. Now let's look into the profile of General N.S. Subramani. He was commissioned into the renowned Garhwal Rifles in December 1985, and General Subramani brings over 4 decades of unparalleled command expertise. He has led Premier Western Strike Formation, 17 Mountain Division, and a Central Command. And he has served as Vice Chief of Army Staff and Military Advisor to the National Security Council Secretariat. He is an alumnus of National Defence Academy, National Defence College, and King's College London, where he has completed MA in Defence Studies. Now let us understand the mandate and the structure of the CDS. Okay, so the CDS will be the principal military advisor. So he advises the defense minister on all tri-service operational matters. The chief of defense staff will be the head of DMA. He serves as the secretary of the newly established Department of Military Affairs. This was established in the year 2019 only. So he serves as the Secretary of Department of Military Affairs, which is under the Ministry of Defense. And then he heads the Chief of Staff Committee to align the Army, Navy, and Air Force doctrines. Now let us understand who appoints the CDS. The Chief of Defense Staff is appointed by the Government of India through Appointments Committee of the Cabinet. We have already seen about this cabinet in our previous videos. They appoint the Chief of Navy Staff, they appoint the CBI Director as well. So the Chief of Defense Staff is also appointed by the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet. And Appointments Committee of the Cabinet consists of only two people, Prime Minister, and he is the chairperson of ACC, and the only other member in ACC is Union Home Minister. Okay, we all know the President of India is the Supreme Commander of Armed Forces. So all military officers hold the office in the name of the President. So therefore, we can understand like the Government of India appoints the CDS through Appointments Committee of the Cabinet, but the appointment is issued in the name of the President. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and share and also subscribe to the channel. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Stay tuned.